let's eat a bread. My merienda for today, guys. It's a bread only. Because I don't have money to buy a food, guys. So, let's eat a bread. Ang sarap niya, guys. Alam mo ba kaya ang tawag nito, guys? It's a pinagang. Pinagong siya, guys. Ang sarap. Lasang-lasa yung kanyang milk. So, yummy. Ang sarap. Parang ako, guys. Ang sarap. Ayan. Look, guys, my hair. The color of my hair, guys, is very nice. Ayan. Kahapon, guys, nag-color ako ng aking hair. A combination of what I call this? A light brown and a ash blonde. So, ito yung naging result, guys. Ayan. A light brown. A light brown yung kanyang result. Well, let's eat bread. My merienda for today. So yummy. Hi. Let's eat. I buy this for only 10 pesos. Every bread 10 pesos. Sarap ng tinapay, guys. Sarap. Sarap.